Christchurch is in the unique and exciting position of delivering a truly urban community multi-purpose hub, a people's place. A place that goes beyond a singular sports-centric iconic build to one that literally and metaphorically engages with all the people of Christchurch and the South Island. To be truly multi-purpose, this engagement should incorporate corporate and social spaces that can be utilised 7 days a week. A design to be used to host sports and non-sport related events, providing vibrant and active gathering spaces. A mixed-use development has the opportunity to influence the cities and its surroundings thinking at both a macro and micro scale, addressing architecture, urban planning, landscape and transport. A design specifically with the local community in mind to introduce commercial and entertainment benefits. A world-class venue will help improve the competitive position of Canterbury and the Northern South Island when attracting major events to the city, both sporting and non-sporting. A carnival atmosphere before and after live events. Exhibition spaces can easily be converted for markets, food stands, fan zones, merchandise stalls, a place where family and friends can gather. Planning for a truly multi-purpose arena will give Christchurch the opportunity to revive and become an exciting amalgam of engagement, dialogue, planning, fiscal outcomes that sets a benchmark for understanding and delivering a unique and iconic statement for Christchurch, an important part in the city's regeneration.